Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into how you can land a job in cybersecurity even if you have no prior experience. You need to hear this if you're looking for a stable and rewarding career. The digital world is growing. With that growth comes risk. Cybersecurity is more important than ever. Companies need skilled people to protect their data. This isn't just about computers, it's about our future. Think of it like this. Every time you shop online, you're trusting a company to keep your information safe. That's where cybersecurity pros come in. They're the digital guardians of our time, and they're in high demand. This demand translates into jobs, and lots of them. If you're looking for a stable and rewarding career, cybersecurity is a fantastic choice. The best part? You don't need years of experience to break in. No experience? No problem. A fresh start awaits. The world of cybersecurity is vast and full of opportunities. Don't let the lack of experience hold you back. Everyone has to start somewhere, and your journey is just beginning. The cybersecurity field welcomes newcomers with open arms. It's a community that values fresh perspectives and new ideas. Many successful professionals started with zero experience. They built their careers from the ground up, just like you can. They were passionate about technology and eager to learn. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Your enthusiasm and curiosity are your greatest assets. Your journey begins with a single step. Each small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Focus on your passion for technology and your desire to protect the digital world. These are the driving forces that will propel you forward. These qualities will take you far. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Think of it like learning a new language. It requires patience, practice, and persistence. It seems daunting at first, but with dedication and practice, you can become fluent. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger. The same principle applies to cybersecurity. Mastery comes with time and effort. Embrace the learning process, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. Your future in cybersecurity is bright and full of potential. Your cybersecurity toolkit certifications to impress. While experience is valuable, certifications demonstrate your knowledge. They're like badges of honor in the cybersecurity world, proving you have what it takes. Start with CompTIA Security Plus. It's an entry-level certification that covers the basics. Once you've conquered Security Plus, consider CISP. This certification is highly respected and shows you're serious about cybersecurity. Finally, look into CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. This one teaches you how hackers think so you can defend against them. Think of these certifications as your cybersecurity toolkit. They equip you with the knowledge and skills to tackle real-world challenges. Employers value these certifications because they know you've met a certain standard of excellence. Cybersecurity learning made easy your path to knowledge. Embark on a journey where learning about cybersecurity is both accessible and engaging. Learning about cybersecurity doesn't have to be boring or expensive. There are countless free resources available online that can make your learning experience enjoyable and cost-effective. Websites like Cybrary and SANS Institute offer valuable information, providing a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. You can also find free courses on platforms like Coursera and edX, which offer structured learning paths and expert guidance. If you're willing to invest a little, consider paid resources. These often come with additional benefits that can enhance your learning experience. Books like Hacking, The Art of Exploitation, and The Web Application. Hacker's Handbook are considered Bibles in the industry. They provide deep insights and practical knowledge. Paid online courses often come with hands-on labs and practice tests, which can be incredibly helpful. These practical exercises allow you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Think of it like building a house. Each piece of knowledge is a brick that contributes to the overall structure. You need the right tools and materials to create a solid structure. The same principle applies to your cybersecurity education. The same applies to your cybersecurity knowledge. A strong foundation is essential for advanced learning and expertise. Choose resources that resonate with your learning style and help you build a strong foundation. Whether it's books, online courses, or hands-on labs, the right resources will guide you on your path to becoming a cybersecurity expert. Section 5. Crafting your cybersecurity story. Resume and cover letter tips. Your resume and cover letter are your first impression. Make them count. They are the gateway to landing your dream job in cybersecurity. Highlight your skills even if they're not directly related to cybersecurity. Skills like problem-solving, analytical thinking, and attention to detail are highly valued. Did you troubleshoot computer issues for friends and family? That counts. Any hands-on experience with technology can be relevant. Use keywords from job descriptions. These keywords are what employers are looking for. This helps your resume get noticed by applicant tracking systems or ATS. ATS software scans for these keywords to filter candidates. Tailor your cover letter to each company and position. Mention specific projects or experiences that align with the job requirements. Show them you've done your research and are genuinely interested. Mention the company's recent achievements or projects. Think of your resume and cover letter as your personal marketing materials. They should reflect your unique value proposition. You're selling your skills and enthusiasm to potential employers. Be confident and clear about what you bring to the table. Make sure your message is clear, concise, and tailored to the specific audience you're trying to reach. Personalize each application to stand out. Section 6. Networking your way to success. Connect, engage, thrive. Networking is crucial in any field, especially cybersecurity. Attend industry events both online and in person. Join online forums and groups. Connect with people on LinkedIn. Be genuinely interested in what others are doing. Networking is about building relationships, not just collecting business cards. Engage in conversations, ask thoughtful questions, and offer your insights. You never know where a connection might lead. Think of networking as planting seeds. The more connections you make, the more likely you are to see those seeds grow into opportunities. Be patient, persistent, and always open to meeting new people in the field. Section 7. Acing the interview. Confidence is key. Congratulations, you landed an interview. Now it's time to shine. Research the company and the position thoroughly. Practice your elevator pitch. Be prepared to answer technical questions and behavioral ones. Highlight your passion for cybersecurity and your eagerness to learn. Ask thoughtful questions at the end. This shows you're engaged and curious. Most importantly, be yourself and relax. Think of the interview as a conversation, not an interrogation. The interviewer wants to get to know you and see if you're a good fit for the company. Be authentic, enthusiastic, and let your personality shine through. Section 8. Cybersecurity roles for beginners, your stepping stone. You don't have to land your dream job right away. Entry-level roles are a great way to gain experience. Consider becoming a security analyst, help desk technician, or system administrator. These roles provide valuable on-the-job training. Don't be afraid to start small. Every step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Embrace the learning process and never stop seeking opportunities to grow and expand your skill set. Think of these entry-level roles as internships for the cybersecurity world. They give you a chance to get your foot in the door, learn from experienced professionals, and build a strong foundation for future career advancement. Section 9. Continuous learning, your key to staying ahead. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving. What you learn today might be outdated tomorrow. Make continuous learning a priority. Stay updated on the latest threats and technologies. Attend webinars, read industry publications, and participate in online forums. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in cybersecurity. Think of your cybersecurity journey as a marathon, not a sprint. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and evolving alongside the ever-changing digital landscape. Section 10. Embrace the challenges, growth awaits. Cybersecurity can be challenging, but that's part of what makes it so rewarding. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Embrace the challenges and never give up on your passion. Remember, every cybersecurity professional was once in your shoes. They faced challenges, overcame obstacles, and emerged stronger and more knowledgeable. You can too. Think of challenges as opportunities for growth. Each obstacle you overcome adds another layer of expertise to your skill set, making you a more valuable asset in the cybersecurity world. Section 11. Your cybersecurity journey begins now. Take the leap. Now that you know the steps, it's time to take action. Start learning, networking, and building your cybersecurity toolkit. Remember, the demand for skilled professionals is high, and there's a place for you in this exciting field. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no better time than now to embark on your cybersecurity journey. Take the leap, embrace the challenge, and watch as you thrive in this rewarding and impactful field. Remember, the cybersecurity world needs passionate individuals like you to protect our digital future. Believe in yourself, stay curious, and never stop learning. Your cybersecurity adventure awaits.